subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to Quality Graphics Design channel. It's great having you here. This video will be the second part to beginner's guide to being a smartphone graphics designer. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, please do well by clicking on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload an amazing video. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. And as well, please help me click on the like button so that the video can be pushed to more viewers. It can be pushed to more people that will be gaining from this, so that the viewers can increase for this video according to the new YouTube algorithm. Like I said earlier, this video is the second part to beginner's guide to being a smartphone graphics designer. If this video is the first video you will be seeing, I will be putting the link to the first video in the video description. I mean, if this video is the second video, I'll be putting a link to the first video in the video description. So do well by watching the video as well and watch this, and I'm telling you, this will really help you, and this will go a long way helping you as a smartphone graphics designer. I can still remember vividly during the last video I stopped on test on this plus icon. I stopped on test, which is the first on this pop-up menu. Next we have current date. Once you click on current date, you can see on our screen we have 3/10/2023, which happens to be the date I'm recording this video. As you can see on the screen, once you click on current date, you will be having the current date being displayed on your screen. Next on the screen we have sticker. Pixellab app is an app that is effectively designed with a lot of stickers for smartphone graphics designer. You can see we have different kind of stickers, excellent stickers, sweet. We have different kind of sticker you can use on your design. You can use different kind of these stickers on your design. We still have emojis. These are different kind of emojis we have in our Pixellab. This app is an app that is effectively designed for smartphone graphics designer. Next on this pop-up menu we have shapes. Pixellab is an app that is designed with a lot of shape, a different kind of shape. Looking into this, you can see we have different kind of shape. We have the square shape, the circle shape, the half circle shape, the arrow, the triangular shape, the love shape, star. So Pixellab is an app that is effectively designed with a lot of shapes. And you can see, this radius, you can use it to create this. You can see the effect coming on this. You can use this radius to turn a square shape into a circle shape to make it a little bit curved. And we still have the opacity. This opacity, if you want to reduce the opacity of the shape, how much the shape will be showing, that is what the opacity is working for. And we still have the color. You can as well change the color of the shape to your wanted color under this, and you can also create a gradient color for this. You can create a gradient color. I will also be putting a link to the video that will be explaining to you how you can create a gradient color in the Pixellab app. And you can also create a stroke for your shape. You can create stroke. You can reduce the opacity and leave the stroke like this. As you can see, you can create stroke. You can reduce the opacity of the stroke as well. You can change the color of the stroke as well, as you can see, and you can also change it to gradient. You can also change it to gradient. As you can see, you can still make this shape. You can make it blur. You can make it blur. So that is it. That is all about shape. We still have from gallery. Let's assume you are designing, you are making your design. Pixellab is an app that the app is not an app designed with resources you'll be using in creating your designs. You have to source for your resources and bring it into Pixellab app to use. So let's say you are making a design and you need these resources from your gallery. Once you click on from gallery, you will be taken to your gallery and you locate the resources you want to use, and once you click on these resources you can easily import it into your Pixellab app. Next on the list we have draw. Let's assume you are good at drawing. Pixellab is an app that you can also use it to draw. Like this, you can see you can use it to draw. If you are the type that you are good at drawing, you can use your Pixellab to draw. You can change the color of the pencil as well. As you can see, you can change the color of the pencil and you can increase the size of the pencil. You can increase it. You can increase the size of the pencil. You can increase the size of the pencil as well. The smoothness, how smooth it will be, you can increase it. Feel inside. So once you start using this thing, I believe you will be understanding the more. You see, you can make it blur. You can make it blur, and there is still eraser. You can clean anything. Let's assume I want to clear something here. You can see I want to clean this to make it neat. You can clean it, and we still have the undo button. You can undo all your design. You can clean it away from the screen. So that is all about this plus icon. Next on our screen we have this icon. You can easily save your project as project. Once you save it as project, you can edit it. You can edit anything you save as project. Let's assume you make a design for one of your clients. You make a design for your client, and at the end of the day you have to make a correction on the design for your client. You can easily come back to your Pixellab app, come to your project menu. You click on project menu, then you can edit your project. Next we have save as image. Once you click on save as image, this is a new pop-up menu you will be having, and I advise you to save your project as PNG. You save your project as PNG and you save as Ultra. Saving it as PNG for format and dimension as Ultra, and I can assure you, saving your project like this, you will be having an high standard resolution project. Your image will be a very clean project. It is advisable to save your project as PNG and Ultra. Next on our screen we have this share icon. You can easily share your project on Pixellab without saving it, and you can also use this share icon. You can use it to save your project. You can share your project across all the social media handles. You can share it to Facebook, Twitter, Google, WhatsApp, Instagram, Dropbox, and this one below. I don't know what that icon stands for. You can easily share your design across to those social media handles. So next on our screen we have this approachable looking icon. Once you click on this, you can see we have different as you can see, this is a motivational quote that you can use in your Pixellab app. You can see, act as if what you do makes it difference. It does. This is a lot of motivating people. You've got to engage their minds and their heart. I motivate people. I hope by example, I'm fired by excitement, by having productive ideas to make others feel empowered. This is a motivational quote. This is a Pixellab app is an app that is designed effectively. We see have others We have another one. You can see we have success. This is success code. We have friendship. As you can see, it as many as possible. We have friendship. We have happiness. We have inspiration, positivity, and absurd. And we still have this quote. We have it in French. We have it in French as well. So if you are the type that understand French, you can still use this motivational quote, this success quote, positivity quote, absurd, inspirational quote. You can use it as French. You can also make it in French in the Pixellab app. Next on the screen, we have these three dots. Looking at these three dots, you can see we have use image from gallery. Once you click on this image, the interface, once you click on use image from gallery, the interface of your design will be changing to the image you imported, the image you select once you click on this. And we also have full screen. This is full screen. If you want to check your design, you want to bring it to full screen, this is how you will be having it. That is how you'll be having your design once you save it. That is full screen. Next, we have use image from camera. Once you click on this button, use image from camera, you'll be taken to your camera where you can snap anything you want to use. And we still have export image. Export image. This is when you want to export your image. Export image. You can see when you want to save your file, when you want to save your project, that is export image. We still have image size. You can see if you want to change the size of your image, we have the width and we have the height. You can easily change the size of your designs using this width and the height button. The height, you can easily edit this. You can edit it. You can easily edit both. And you can see once you click on this custom showing on your screen, we have custom, we have square. This is the particular one I'm still using is square. We have profile picture, we have YouTube channel banner, YouTube thumbnail, the Facebook cover art, the Google Plus cover photo, and Twitter header size. This sizes has already been designed with the Pixellab app. So that is what image size explain. Let's say you are having a problem, with your Pixellab app. You can easily contact the Pixellab app company. You can easily contact the developer using this contact us or report bug. Though I've been using this app, it's been a while and I don't have problem using the app, and that's it. You can easily click on tutorial. As you can see, I've been taken to my YouTube channel rather, but I'm not owning my data is not on. So had it been my data is on, I would have been taken to somewhere like a video or YouTube channel where it explains how Pixellab app work. And next on it we have remove ads. The Pixellab, if you are using a normal Pixellab app, it will be playing ads sometimes. So you can easily pay to remove ads. But as for this app I'm using, this is the Pixellab Pro app. You don't have to pay for this before it is being effective on the app. This app is an app that you don't have to pay for that before it is effective. Next on the screen we have recover autosave. Let's say you have a project you are working for. You can easily recover your project. Using the recover autosave button. You can easily recover your project. Though I don't have a project I want to recover at this moment, so you can recover your autosave project. Open PLP. Let's say you want to bring in a PLP file from your store from your phone's device, from your phone storage, you can easily click on open PLP file. What PLP file means is that it is a raw file that is being shared to you, that you can easily edit. You can easily manipulate this file. You can easily manipulate it into your wanted project. And we have about an exit. If you want to exit the Pixellab app or you want to know more about the app, you can click on about button. So next, let me explain more about this app before we put an head to today's video. Next on the screen, you can see we have taker, we have import, just like I've explained before, but there is this particular one I've not explained. We have arrow. You can see these are different kind of arrow. These are different kind of arrow that is available in Pixellab. You can change everything. You can change anything. You can change, as you can see, once I'm clicking on this, the size of the arrow, you can increase and decrease the size of the arrow, begin how you want it to look like. The opacity, you can reduce and increase the opacity, and as well you can change the color of the arrow. You can even put it as graded, and you can as well give it stroke color. As you can see, you can as well reduce the opacity of the stroke as well. So that is arrow for you. Once you create a shape like this, you'll be having this menu. This menu is just like the one I previously explained on text. This menu, you can edit. Let's say you reduce this, you can edit the text. You can edit it back. You can edit it using the edit button. You can delete. You can as well crop the shape. You can crop it. We have copy. To copy the shape, you can bring let's say you are making a design, you can bring it to the back and bring it to the front using this to front button and to back button. This position button, relative position button, I've earlier explained that I don't think it's necessarily important. I still explain that in this. You can as well change the color of this. You can change the color, and you can as well change, you can give it texture. Let me give it texture and see, and let you see. Once you click on something like this, let me use this golden texture. You can see the texture of the shape has been changed to golden. So you can change the texture to anyhow you want. You can use our texture from your gallery. You can change the texture of the shape. We have the opacity, how much you want the shape to be showing, that is opacity. We have color filter. Let's say I give this shape color red. I can easily use this color filter to manipulate the color. Let's assume I imported something into Pixellab app. I can easily use this color filter to manipulate the color. Let me import something and show you how it works. So I will be importing this. As you can see, this is it. I've imported this. So let's go to color filter. You can see, once I'm changing this, once I'm increasing and decreasing the hue effect, the color is changing. So that is color filter for you. You can increase the saturation, and you can also reduce the saturation, the brightness, and the contrast. So as you can see, that is Pixellab for you. It is an app that is effectively designed for smartphone graphics designer. Next on the menu, we have a stroke. You can also give your shape. You can give it stroke. You can increase the stroke with it and increase the stroke with it. Next, we have eraser. You can erase something. You can increase the eraser. You can erase this, and as you can see, we have the erase effect now showing on our shape. So that is Pixellab for you. And we have mask. you can mask your shape. Just like you want to merge image into shape. Now you can use the merge button, you can use the mask button rather to mask the image into the shape button. You can use the mask button, that is mask button. I've earlier explained that. I don't think it's necessarily important. And we have erase color, we have rotate, where you can rotate the shape, you can rotate this as you want. And we have the undo button for rotate as well. And you can also create a 3D effect. You can create a 3D effect for your pixel, for your shape as well. That is all about shape. Once you start using the app, I know you will understand more about the app. On the screen we are having this. Where we're having this, where I am pointing the arrow, we're having that next button. This button is you can see on this template we have color, we have transparent, image size, crop image from gallery and from camera. So using this color, you can use this to change the background of a design. As you can see, once you press on any color, the background of the design will be changed. So this is the background, it will be changed. The background will be changed, as well as you can change the background to any gradient color of your choice. You can change the background to gradient color as well. So after that, we are having image size, transparent rather. This transparent, once you click on transparent and you have any design here, meaning if you save your designs, you will be having a background, a transparent background. Let's say you make a logo, you've designed a logo here in your Pixellab app. So you want to mock it up using any mockup site, either Photopia, any mockup site. So you have to download your design or your logo. You have to download it as a transparent background design. So once you click on this transparent, you will be having your background as a transparent one. So next on the screen we are having image size. Image size is when you want to set the size of the size of your design. This is what is meant as image size. So you can see we have width, we have height. So you can change anything you want to edit. You can change it here using this width and height menu. So next we have crop. Let's say we have any shape on this, we have any shape on the screen. Now let me create a shape and show you that we have a shape like this. So easily I can crop it using this crop button. I can crop it. If we have anything like we import it from a gallery, so we can crop it. Next we have image. Once I click on this image, you can see this Pixellab interfaces. So let's say you want to create your own design and you want to use these your Pixellab design template that has already been designed with Pixellab. So you can click on these images. You can click on these images to create your design using this Pixellab already designed template. So next on our screen we have from gallery. Like I explained earlier on this plus icon here, when I was on plus icon here, I mentioned we have from gallery here. This from gallery here works as the same thing as from gallery under this plus icon. Once you click on from gallery, you will be taken to your gallery here to import any. Let's say you are creating a design and you need any resources from a gallery. So easily you can go to your gallery, then import any resources you needed. Once you click on your camera like this, from camera you will be taken to your camera to to make a picture of anything you want to bring into Pixellab app using your camera. So that is it about camera. Next on our screen we have after from camera we have another template. Next on our screen we have this, which is another menu entirely. We have this. So having this now, this is another thing entirely. Let's say you want to rotate your design. You have a design on this, you have something on this now, so you make a design, you can rotate it using this rotate icon. Next, after the rotate icon, we have Fignet. This Fignet, once you click on Fignet, you will have this menu where you can enable it. So once you enable it, you can see this some circle shape that just appear like some blacks. So you can reduce this thing using the hover control. You can reduce and increase it. So that is that about Fignet. We have noise. You enable noise, you can see we have like some small particles on our template. So you can as well increase this, reduce this, enhance it, and you can reduce the enhancement. That is all about Fignet. We have stripes. You can create stripes using this stripe. So how much you want when you increase the stripe will be showing the more, and then when you reduce it. So that is that about stripes. Next we have brightness. You have brightness where you can increase and reduce the brightness of the background of the design. We have contrast. Where you can easily change the color using hue. We have saturation as well. So as I'm doing this thing, you are seeing I am doing it. So once you start using this Pixellab app, which is mainly designed for smartphone graphics designer, I believe you will understand the uses of all these buttons in Pixellab. I believe you are going to understand the more. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate.